Take one, scene one. Let's roll. I am Mike.
I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. So today we are in Fair Oaks Ranch and we're working on a kitchen/living room remodel. We're also doing a bunch of the floors and probably 2/3 of the house. So right over in here, today they're hitting a milestone, which we're really excited about. We love milestones.
Yes, we do.
You know, it's a good time to celebrate. Today's milestone is painting. So they're painting all of the walls, but before this, let's just take you back in time. This whole wall had cabinets all along the wall. The house is very traditional. To try to give them, they just bought the house, so to make it more personalized and more their style, they like whites and grays and some quartz colors and things like that. So all the cabinets along here are going to be white cabinets, and then along that wall will be white cabinets. The only thing we kept in this kitchen is an island, and right where I'm standing, there was a peninsula. Right over here where this column is, there was a big bar. So
But it had actually, it was basically
yeah.
typical, right? A bar with a wall that closed off the kitchen even more. So we wanted to open the kitchen up, make it more friendly. So we removed the wall, removed the bar entirely, and there was a bar sink here and a sink there. Didn't really make sense. So this is obviously for structural reasons, but now at least there's more of a flow and light actually can come into the kitchen from the outside. So that was the
So
point
we
here.
have, right here, it was a peninsula, so now the plumbing we had moved over, so it's more symmetrical with what they're looking at and seeing, and there's a beautiful yard behind you outside. So they'll have a larger island here, the existing island that they wanted to keep, and back on that wall we'll have more cabinets. That's going to be a stone gray color.
And this will be refinished in stone gray
This will be
also.
refinished in the same stone gray, and then the new island will be stone gray. So we've got white outers and the hutch style, kind of a furniture style cabinet is what we're doing there. And then we'll have marble looking quartz countertops, and then the backsplash we're still working on. It's probably going to be more of a Carrera looking, some maybe herringbone or something fun, but you'll get to see that next month, hopefully.
We'll definitely get to see the cabinets. And so since we're doing all the floors throughout the house, a lot of times, you know, houses 20, 30, 35 years old, they would have literally 3 or 4 different floors throughout the house. That's just not the way to really do it anymore. So even though there's wood in some of the house, we're actually going to cover up everything with a product that's so popular these days, and this is luxury vinyl. So it's vinyl, but it's waterproof. It doesn't scratch. It is just a tremendous product, and that way cohesive floors throughout the entire house.
And when this goes in, it's really going to make this gray that's going on the walls just really come out. It's going to look really good. I'm excited. I know our homeowners, our clients are excited. So there's a lot more that's going on in here that you'll see. But we love the painting. It's very therapeutic.
It is. So
it's all coming together.
So there you go. So hopefully you will see next time a lot more things happening here. We'll probably have cabinets, flooring in.
Yeah, probably countertops will be going in at that time.
Yeah.
Should be. We hope as things progress. And that's it for today. So we hope you like what you saw. If you do, please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time right back here in Fair Oaks. And next month.
And action.